How to generate AI videos with InVideo. Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be telling you how you can generate your AI videos with InVideo. So let's get into it. So over here, I'm onto their website, invideo.io. And over here, as you can see, this is an AI video editing tool. Over here, you can generate videos using the prompt section. You can tweak it with text command. Over here, as you can see, a video about luxury travels, narrate the video in British accent, and you can add stuff to it, and you have a complete editing control as well. And it's all for free as well. There is a pricing plan, but we'll get to that later. But over here, you can see a few demos that demonstrate how easy it is to use it. So let's go ahead and try it. And before we do that, let me just show you the pricing plan. So over here, as you can see, we have three pricing plan. Let me just switch it to monthly. So over here, we have the first one, which is the free plan. Of course, it's $0. In it, you get 10 minutes per week of AI generation, no iStock videos, 10 gigabytes of storage, 4 exports per week with InVideo logo, and 2.5 million standard media and no voice clones. Whereas if you go with the plus one, which costs $25, and over here down below, you can add users as well. So it's $25 per month per user. And then down below, you get 50 minutes of generation. You get 80 iStocks per month, 100 gigabyte storage, unlimited exports, two voice clones, and up to one user. And over here in the max, you have $60 per month and you get a bunch of stuff. But over here down below, you can compare all the features right here. You can see video resolution is going to be full HD in the free one and in the plus one and in the max. So you get all three of them. User data, your user data will be used in the free plan. It won't be used in the paid plans. And yeah, those are the main noticeable features. So now that you know how it is, let's go ahead and sign up and start using it. So the sign up process was very simple. You didn't need me to show you that, you don't need me to hold your hand through that process. You can just easily figure that out. Once that's done, you are good to go. And over here, this is how it looks like. Over here, this is the AI video tool. As you can see, if you click on these three buttons, you can go to your home section, go to your media library, you have your voices right here. If I click on go home, it takes me back over here. So over here, you can see we can create AI videos. We have show more option right here, but nothing too crazy. Over here is going to be your history, but this is just the old video that I made. But yeah, and then down below you have your media library. Over here you can upload your media if you want to create a specific video. So to create a video, just simply click on home and click on create AI. Now you're wondering if this is it. There are other features as well. There are other options in InVideo, which we will get to later. Now over here you can select the model. So right now it's premium AI, and over here you can give a topic and detail instruction, and then just simply click on generate and it will generate a video. Down below is the workflow. You can choose whether you want a YouTube explainer video, a script to video, a YouTube short, or you click on explore all and you get other options as well. So it depends on you what you want. So over here, let's give it a topic on InVideo. So this is the topic that I gave it, and now I'm going to choose the workflow as well. So we're going to select YouTube explainer, and over here you can go ahead and give it a prompt. This is for the YouTube explainer video. As you can see, it asks for quite a lot of details, but we will get to that later. We will try to create one later. For now, we'll just stick with the normal prompt and we'll click on generate video. And right here is creating the video, it's analyzing, and it will take some time, but it will be done. Now, while it takes its time, let's go ahead and go over a few features, shall we? So if we come back over here and we click on InVideo Studio, we can see that there are a lot of different options. So you have intro maker, outro maker, video ad maker, birthday video maker, and Instagram video editor as well. You also have invitation maker as well. So you can go ahead and sign up all of them. You can log in into the InVideo Studio or sign up, and you can start using these options. There's also templates such as video business templates, YouTube video templates, and many, many more. So you can choose whichever one you want. If you click on InVideo AI, you will see it has a bunch of different options such as AI video, voice generator, faceless video, video generator, video editor, and text editor as well. And over here, you might have noticed InVideo AI. It also says AI login and AI sign up, but that's because these are two different softwares under the same name. So you can go ahead and sign up onto both of them and try which one you like. So let's say we want to, check out the studio. Let's go ahead and sign up onto studio as well. And over here, if we come back, just wanted to check on the video. Right now, it's asking us the audio, and we want the audience to be content creators or AI enthusiasts. We'll choose that. Look and feel should be professional, and platform is going to be, YouTube, and that is it. Then we'll just simply click on continue. Now it's actually creating the video. So there you go. Now it's analyzing and will be ready in a couple of minutes. So let's go ahead and go over to the InVideo Studio. And this is the InVideo Studio. So this is studio.invideo.ai, and this is the dashboard. And over here, you can see you have templates, you have AI text to videos, you have stock videos, and you have video editor as well. And on the left hand side, you can see you have your my projects over here. These are the projects that I created. As you can see, it was 9 months ago. So let me just go ahead and delete the project and show you how you can create a new one. And if you're wondering where it went, it's right here in the trash can. So if you want to restore it, you can just simply go ahead and click on restore to restore it. So in the dashboard, you can see this is the studio, and over here you can create your first video by clicking on this button or clicking on this button right here. And if you want to select a template, just simply click on template and it will suggest a template over here. So there are tons and tons of different templates, over 5,000 different templates to choose from, and you can choose any of these templates and create a video exactly like this. And the only difference will be that the main video itself will be different, but all of these, animations and text and mogurts, they're gonna be the exact same over here. And same with the AI text to video. If you click over here you can see we have different options as well. People just give text and then it creates a video on its own. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's go ahead and click on this video and see how it looks like. So let's play the video. So as you can see, it's a very simple video. Nothing too crazy is happening over here. Just text, animation with some background videos, and some nice background music. And that's about it. So nothing too crazy over here. They'll just say, right here, Mark Maddock. And yeah, overall, the video is very simple, nothing too crazy. And you can easily create videos like this as well. So if you want to use this template, just simply click on use template and it'll open up right here. And over here, it will ask you to write a script so that you can go ahead and start creating a video very similar to that one. And yeah, very easy to use, nothing too crazy. And then you have your stock media and editor as well. So, but before we do that, let's go ahead and check up on our video and see where it is. And yeah, here we go. So it's mostly done. Let me check the resolution. And okay, now let's go ahead and play the video because this is the video that I just made. So as you can see, there is the iStock, watermark, but we can remove that by just simply buying the plan. But free videos, this is what it gets you. So let's go ahead and take a look. So as you can see, it also added an AI voice behind it, which is pretty cool. And as you might have seen in this video, I did nothing. All I did was give it a topic, choose what the audience is and the platform is, and landscape or not, and then just let it do its thing, and it created a 3-minute video explaining how we can use InVideo and create a AI video. It also gives us these different time blocks. I would say that's the intro, and this is where it actually starts explaining about InVideo. So let's see. Overall, the video looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty cool, looks pretty simple. There are some pretty AI animations going on in the background, really cool stock footages as well. And yeah, so over here, you can give it a command right here. So if don't like this particular section, delete the second scene. It's not really relevant. You can make the scene half a long, it's too wordy. You can change the current stock video to a video drone shot of a forest. You can do anything. So let me come back over here, and over here it was talking about a sign up page, right? Over here I'll just select this and I will say something like this, and then we'll just simply click on generate. This will hopefully change the current video. So if I click on generate, Give it a couple of seconds. Okay, so over here, as you can see, it didn't actually change the scene itself, but it did write right here, as you can see, create an account and choose a template. So that's pretty simple. That wasn't there before, but yeah, right here, we can see these are scenes. So this was scene 1, 2, and 3, 4 and 5 and 6. So you can go onto a particular scene and it will automatically detect where you are and then add that stuff, whatever you want to add to that stuff. So very simple. If you want to edit this video, click on edit right here. You can find it right here. If you want to change your own scene customly, you can do that as well. So over here, if I select this scene, you can select the, image. You can select the image or the scene you want, and then the video as well. Down below is going to be the script, so you can see what we're talking about. And then you can upload a media. So for example, if I come over here onto a new folder and I click on InVideo and I click on the sign up page. Sorry, I'm already logged in, but all I would have to do is click on the sign up page and then maybe take a screenshot and come over here and upload that so that, we can see that. Or I can just find my own video, signing up. Let's go to Pixels. Like, for example, from here, you can just simply go ahead and download a video you want of a person, signing up. Let's say Google, right? Any video you want. This is just for an example. And you come over here and you want to upload your own media, and you just simply select the video and upload it right here. As you can see, it's uploading. Once it's uploaded, just simply click on replace, and there you go. It's replaced, and click on apply changes. Now, if we come over here, it should be changed. Place, click on apply changes. It should do it, but it's not showing up over here, but I think it is being done in the background. But yeah, once that's done, you are good to go. So that is how you can edit it as well. After that, you can just simply click on export and click on export video to export your video. And over here, of course, you can export it into 1080p, and you have no watermark, right? And none. So you're going to have a paid plan for that. And down below, you can see it is actually changing the media as well. So currently, I think it has changed the media. Let's go ahead and see if it did. No, it's still here, even though it said it did, but maybe it did. After a couple of whiles, maybe we will see it once it's done processing. But yeah. So now let's go ahead and come back over here onto the studio in video. And over here, can also create more videos as well. So you can see you have templates as well. So let's go ahead and create a video using the template section. Let's say we select this video right here, click on use template. And this is the main editor, guys. Over here, it's loading up. You have your storyboard over here, collaborator over here. On the left hand side, you have your main options like videos, images, music, text, logos, elements, templates, and more. And here we go. So this is how it looks like. Over here are your layers, and you can add your scene over here. Here is your play mark. You can move it around to see what it is, what's being shown. If you want to remove a specific scene, you just simply select that scene or click on these three dots and you can delete that scene. Or if you click on show layers, you can find the layers right here. And then you can go ahead and change these layers. So down below, you can see all of those are gradient layers. You don't need to change that. Down below is the media file right here. Just simply select the media file and you can delete it and replace it with whatever your media file is. So it's very simple. If we want to go back, we just simply click on the layer button and we'll be back. And over here, these are the transitions. If we want to change them or see them, we simply click on the icon and the transitions will load up right here. And you can select any of these you want to replace your transition. So once you've done with your video, you can go ahead and change the logo of it as well. Just you can move this around right here. You have your options right here as well. So click on the logo to add your logo and you should be good to go. You can move it around wherever you want. And yeah, generally speaking, those are the main things that you needed to know about. After that, on the left hand side, you have your elements and you can select those elements to add more stuff to your video to make it more natural, to make it more beautiful and pop and stand out. down below are going to be your text. You can choose one of these texts to change, how it looks and feels. And once you're done, all you have to do is just simply click on export. But to do that, you will need to, upgrade your account. Right here, as you can see, you can't do that. But mostly this is it. This is how you do it. This is how you create an AI generated video using InVideo. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.